Hello, Mr. J's ELA. Today you are going to be answering the 5 W's and 1 H questions using a different type of resource. Today you will be watching a video titled Between the Glacier and the Sea, the Alaska Earthquake. During this video, you will use your expertise in finding the 5 W's and 1 H and fill out your graphic organizer as you are watching the video. When you are finished, then you are going to use that information to write your own summary. Remember that the important parts are to make sure that you include all points of the 5 W's and 1 H in your summary and make sure that your paragraph or your summary makes sense. If you have any questions, please raise your hand and I will help you as best I can.
There was a loud boom, like a bomb or something went off, and I was standing just right off the end of the planks on the dock.
And there was a noise. It was kind of a rumble.
Like a deep thunder, only it sounded like it was coming from under the earth.
The earthquake and resulting tsunamis happened because our planet is restless. The Earth's surface is made up of massive continental and oceanic plates that are continually moving and colliding with each other. In regions where they collide, one plate can dive or subduct under another, causing tremendous pressure to build up.
Prior to the 1964 earthquake, the Pacific plate had been subducting underneath Alaska, and Valdez was sitting on top of that subducting plate. It was basically stuck. And then on that day, all that strain was released, and then we had the Great Alaska Earthquake.
Valdez and much of Alaska were subjected to 5 minutes of violent shaking with aftershocks persisting for days. The March 27th 9.2 magnitude earthquake was the largest ever recorded in North American history. The Earth's violent shaking caused 98 million cubic yards of these unstable sediments to literally break off, generating local tsunami waves up to 30 feet high. The slide devastated the docks. Most of Valdez itself was spared heavy wave damage. However, 5 brutal minutes of shaking left a profound mark on the community.
During the earthquake, an oil stove, fell over and caught fire to the building. And that spread to the tank farm, and it fed upon itself. One tank would catch fire and start burning, and then that would go to another tank, and it went from one to another.
The whole town settled during the earthquake. The ground dropped almost 9 feet near the waterfront and shifted sideways as much as 30 feet in town. All but maintenance personnel and a few others evacuated the town of Valdez.
There were some people that left and never came back.
All right, so this concludes the video. Again, if you need to go back and watch it again, watch it as many times as you need to fill out your graphic organizer. Once you are finished with your graphic organizer, then you're going to use that information and write your own summary paragraph. Again, make sure that you are including all points of the 5 W's and 1 H. Make sure that it is in paragraph form and make sure that it is well organized, which means that it just makes sense that it flows. If you have any questions, make sure that you raise your hand. When you are done with the assignment, go ahead and work on Mr. J's 3.